Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm AK Traveler. Today I will teach you how to upload video in your YouTube channel. Okay, let's check it out. First of all, as usual, you need to go to your website. Then you click your YouTube channel. Once you in your YouTube page, this is the thing. Create a video or post. Click this icon, then you click upload video. Okay, once you upload your video, you can see here uploading process. You can see here the uploading process. So this video is take time around 2 minutes. Okay, just type the title. Okay, title. Once you put your file name and put this title, then you can put the same here. Okay, then description you can add on. Okay, anything you can put, what do you want to put, you just put. Okay, basic. Okay, then once you create, okay guys, so I just written a basic things, teaching a basic lessons to become a new YouTuber. Simple as that. And you can choose if you're spelling error, you can choose also. Then you can put your Facebook ID, your Instagram ID. Okay, once you already include, you see it's stated finished processing. So once it's finished processing, you can choose new thumbnail. Okay, you go to the new thumbnail, you can go to the pictures that you love to put. Remember, the thumbnail must be below, the size of the thumbnail must below than 2 megabytes. Cannot, the size cannot bigger. Okay, remember. Since the video is still processing, so you can do some other basic settings. Okay, as we know, YouTube already put some basic instruction that we need to follow. Example, your video required for children or not. So for me, I think it's not, for time being, it's not suitable for children, so I put no, it's not made for kids. And more options, then you can say your video contains of paid promotions. Okay, tagging, you can put, you can choose from Google. Okay, just click how to create YouTube channel. So once you click this, usually from here you can find out the searching, the people always search. Okay, YouTube channel name, sign in account. Okay, you can choose this name, example. Okay, so these are the views. Copy, then you can put here. Okay, remember, you must put one only, cannot put more. So you must choose one by one. Create channel. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, you put here. Then your language, what language you use? I'm using English language. Then I put English. Certificate is not contain all this. Of course, it's not aid in a television in US lah, because it's your own creator. You are creating the. Okay, when you recording. Okay, I'm recording 17. Okay, video location. If you put in Malaysia, you can put in Johor, JB, anything lah. You can put. This is a standard YouTube license. Of course, it's an education. I teach you, right? So we find for education. Okay, the rest of the things I think shouldn't be no problem. Okay, then you click next button. Okay, this one, once your video monetized, you can choose you want to monetize the video or not. Okay, done. Okay, these are the settings usually YouTube will ask. And one more new update thing, they will ask you what type of video that you are publishing. Is it adult content or violence or harmful or drug related? If nothing is here, just click none of the above. Then only it will appear. You can start to earn money from this video. Okay, add screen. If you want to add or you want to add cards, you can just add on. Okay, very simple. Then next, visibility, you can choose unlisted. Okay, like of course this video you do for public. Okay, we do for public, just click public. Is it scheduled or you want to release now? Okay, now is 3:48. Okay, maybe I put schedule because maybe this time people sleeping in Malaysia, so we want our channel to people see. So what I do, I change to 7 PM and today's date, today I put 20. Okay, then I will put schedule. Okay, so that is guys, these are the ways to create video and upload videos. So hopefully these short videos will help you to upload videos. Okay, okay guys, once you upload your video, you can go to videos, mean first of all dashboard. Then from dashboard you can view few information that given by YouTube creator, also other creators. At the same time, you click here, you find videos. You can check your videos here. Example, just now we create a video, right? So you can click. If you want to change any details in this video, you just click edit button. Then you can start to change. Okay, example like this, just key in what you want. Okay, Facebook, AK, traveler, like this. Okay, these are the few information. Okay, if you want to do some changes, just click save. Not that only, you can go to more options. You can change the details here also. What are the language we are using? Okay, so are you allowing people to see? Okay, are you allowed your video to publish? At the same time, you can change time recording. Okay, video location where? Okay, Johor. Okay, Johor. Okay, Johor. You can put Johor. These are the few basic things that you must do. And category, of course, these are the education category. then save. If it didn't have any changes, just leave it. Okay guys, then finally, once again, do subscribe to my AK Traveler YouTube channel and Instagram page, Facebook page to get always updated. Thanks again. See you. Bye.